And there's a lot of scuffs on the floor, but I think that's just from previous people that lived here over the years. You know, they'd probably buff out if you had a big buffing machine. I'm going to leave you guys to it because I've seen a couple of things I want to go and give some attention to, if that's okay. I might borrow Stevie, who's running around there desperately to show me some of her toys. No. So I'm going to go hang out with Stevie for a bit, leave you girls to it, maybe make a bit of mess.
Are you going to wear one of her outfits?
Oh, you know, probably.
And I don't know you need Stevie to make a mess. Well, I'm like you, Marie. I love a clean house. What I don't love, though, are the hours that get sunk into keeping a house clean.
Exactly.
But we're going to try something out on today's show for the first time, Marie. So I'm pretty excited. We're all about life hacks, cleaning hacks, and anything that gives us better results for less time.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. Well, mess has been made as promised. How's this testing you?
Killing me.
Killing you?
Yeah, I'm a bit of an OCD freak, freak.
Marie, you've told us that you obviously are a single mum. You've got this big house to look after and caring for the girls as well.
Yeah.
It's pretty spotless though, to be honest. Aside from this little incident that has been made for us today, what's your standard cleaning routine look like?
I am a very clean person, so yes, that is killing me. I work obviously full time, so it is a lot. So I always have to clean as I go.
Yep.
I hate mess, so I've tried a few things because the space is so huge. First, you have to like sweep or vacuum and then mop, so it is quite long and tedious.
Yeah.
I think for me, I've thought about the robots, but I am very particular, so I don't know whether I trust that to do that job without me controlling it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a little bit the same. I'm always for work smarter, not harder. And I think with that, I've got the perfect solution for you today.
Sounds amazing.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body.
So Marie, this is the Hizero, the world's first all-in-one bionic floor cleaner for hard floors. It uses new science to clean hard floors. It doesn't use a sucking motion to suck stuff up, kind of like a vacuum does. So this sweeps and mops all in one. So I'm kind of doing the math on your house and I feel like this is going to take maybe half the time.
It looks pretty amazing.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that this is going to clean as good as it looks.
Functions as well as it
Yes,
looks? All right,
yes.
well, should we give it a whirl? And I'm
Definitely.
going to let you do it because you're the cleaning pro.
Okay.
Now, switch her on and tilt it back.
Okay, let's go.
And let's go over these crumbs.
That's amazing. I'll just get the rest of those. Oh my God, I'm liking this already.
It's pretty good, and you can see where it's mopping at the same
amazing.
time. Oh, should we try this?
Yes.
I'm excited.
Me
How's
too.
it gonna go?
Yes.
Oh, look at that.
It's amazing.
So what it's doing, it's using the polymer roller with inside the actual head, which in a lot of other devices, it's a microfiber, or it relies on microfiber and the sucking. So that uses the polymer reel inside to sweep and mop at the same time. So it's got the compartment inside that stores all of the debris and the crumbs and stuff that we've been picking up. And then it's also got a compartment at the back that stores any liquids.
I'm actually loving this.
It's pretty good. It's quite therapeutic watching you, to be honest.
It's really... This is actually amazing. You can see where it's sweeping and then mopping. It's going to save me so much time.
It will, and because it relies on the sweeping technology over the suction technology as well, so then it's covering off the sweep and mop all at once.
I would love it.
How long do you think you'd normally take to vacuum alone the house or sweep?
Probably about half an hour to an hour.
Okay.
Like, it's a big space and I'm really particular. So.
And that would be with probably a corded vacuum, I imagine, as well.
Yeah, I did have one of the cordless ones, but the battery charge is not great.
Well, this has 60 minutes of battery life, which is phenomenal. So you'd pretty much get maybe the whole house done times 2.
I would for sure. Yeah. So where does everything go? The rubbish, the water, like, tell me how this works.
I know, good question, because it's pretty small, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very compact.
Well, the Hizero basically has everything contained all in the one unit. So if we pop it open here, you can see there's this compartment, which is for all of the biscuits and dry bits and pieces that we sweep up off the floor. And then in the back here, there's a compartment here, which you can see all of the dirty water. So all of the liquids and the mopping action post sweeping.
Oh my God, I love it.
Love it?
Yes, absolutely.
What do you reckon time-wise it's going to take off your cleaning here?
I reckon it's going to be like a third of the time.
You reckon?
Definitely.
A third?
Yes.
We've given a good run for its money. The egg, the honey, all of the works. We love it. Now you can buy online. Head to hizero.com.au and there's also a bunch of really great videos as well that you can check out too.